Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover a deleted or lost Google account tied to Drive. First of all, go to accounts.google.com, sign in, recover your on your iPhone, or open the Drive app, then tap need help. First of all, go ahead and go to your Google and then search for accounts.google.com, sign in slash recovery, and click on the first link. After that, you are going to enter your email and then follow all the prompts to verify identity, recovery email, phone lost, password, anything. Answer the verification questions and follow the rest or reset or recovery link. Then once recovered, sign into Drive and check your files. If the tip, use the secure recovery email and phone and update them immediately after recovering the account. Quick fix, use the secure recovery email and phone and update them immediately after recovering the account. Quick fix, if recovery fails, try again with any previous passwords or different recovery emails. Small details often unlock the account, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.